is definitely time to clean my room. And I have these boxes from last Sunday. My parents went to IKEA, and basically I'm gonna go through my wardrobe and put away stuff in there that I don't wear as often, or is like not in season, because my wardrobe is a mess. A true mess, because literally look at this. 2 blazers on each other. 2 blazers. I just don't like this. It's too much. And then I went food shopping today and to the gym in the morning. It's been 2 hours since I've been back, so. And then I think I'm gonna take off these LED lights because I put them up yesterday, but I don't mind the light. Let's see. Will you be able to see? See, they're on now, but when I turn them off at night, they illuminate. I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe I'll keep them on. I look quite tired. Sorry for looking like a mess, but it's a Saturday. I don't really care what I look like on the weekend, even though, as I said, I did go out. But I got so into it because my parents were home, but now everyone's out, so I'm by myself with Charlie and Tessa. And yeah, I've been jamming to music. I don't know why, but I've been loving this song again by TXT. I just kind of cleaned up my desk a little bit. These I want to try on, but I think I'm gonna get rid of them. I don't know if they're even good enough to donate. I literally had these 2 pants when I used to work in Morrison's, because I used to like wearing these types of pants to work, and they're very ruined and I haven't worn them since I quit, which has been 8 months ago. But yeah, my desk is looking like this. Look at this, guys. I have nearly 2 boxes to go up. So in this one I put clothing mostly from the dresser, so I'll show you what the dresser looks like. There's not too much clothing. It's mostly like things I typically wear in the summer, so there are some stuff from the shelves like jeans and shorts. I put shorts in here, my spare jeans that I wear when all my other favorite pairs are dirty. Like I took some stuff from the hangers. I put my spare towel because I have 2 towels. I have a navy one and a pink one, and I alternate between them. I'm using the blue one. And then in here I have like just 1 jacket, I think. Or did I put 2? I don't know. I think I just put 1 jacket. No, 2 jackets. This one's actually like a winter one, but it's way too warm. It's like, when it's like in the minuses, I can wear this one, but I've been loving wearing other ones. And then I put like dresses I only wear like once a year. This is all going in the wash. As you can see, I had to change pants because I noticed my ones were dirty. I have some hangers left over because this is the biggest difference. Ignore the shoes, I haven't tackled them yet. Look how beautiful. I changed it around so the jackets are on this side and then the dresses and like other stuff on this side. But everything is just 1 thing per hanger. So I kept my favorite coats. This is how many jackets I have, but this one's my favorite. And then I wear this one and this one. All my blazers, I have 5 blazers. These 2 I got in Poland, H&M Mango. And then this is H&M, H&M, H&M. And then like 2 shirts I never wear, but I should to work. I need to start wearing these again to work because they're so comfy. And then I have some pants, dresses, no skirts. And then 2 dresses I kept on here because I only wear those 2 the most. I think I might just go over that stuff. That's where I keep like my hats, gloves, scarves, as you can see. Extra duvet sets for my bed. And then, as I said, I need to go over this. But look at this. I kind of cleaned it up a little bit. That doesn't need cleaning because I organized it recently. I keep like backpacks and stuff. This is extra toiletries and like hair stuff. Yes, I do have monkey nuts because I'm gonna take them with me next time I go to London and feed the squirrels. This is looking bad because like 2 of my pairs of jeans I always wear are in the wash, but like the rest is there. And then here I keep like incense and stuff like that. I have to take lateral flow tests at work every time I go into the office. And they let us know this Friday we're going full-time back into the office, and that means paralegals as myself probably are gonna have to work every day in the office, which I'm not looking forward to. I wish I had like at least one day, guys, one day. And then at the top I keep like face masks, protein powders and milks. I got new milk actually today. This one, Barista. I'm excited to try it out one day when I run out of the one I'm currently using. But I'm very happy with my progress. I'll show you the dresser after I put this stuff up because I can't be bothered to move it. But yeah, this makes me happy. So happy. I'm gonna have to send a picture to my friend and show her. I just counted and I actually have 19 pairs of shoes. This isn't all of them. I have one more pair in my gym bag because those are my gym shoes. But oh my god, where the hell did I get so many shoes from? And when? I don't want to get rid of any of them. I have 2 pairs of trainers because those are for running outside. And then Hunters are my favourite. Truly, guys, if you're ever looking for wellies, I highly recommend them. I used to think, nah, I don't have to wear wellies. But ever since I got my Hunters, life has changed, especially when I go on walks and it's muddy. But yeah, we're gonna have to organise and then look at what else is disgusting and vacuum. Guys, it's done. Yes, as you can see, some pairs are missing. They are over here. So of course, those ones are more like summer. I don't really wear these ones, so I'm gonna put them away for now in one of the boxes. And then these ones, I'm going to put away in the box, but I might get rid of them because I don't wear them that often. I don't know, we'll see. Forgot I need to stop the music before I start speaking. But I organised the hats. I used to keep like one scarf in here, but now it's just hats, gloves, and like a scarf that I hopefully will wear as a hairband in the summertime or springtime. I did put some stuff away, like this hat. It's too warm for this hat, even though sometimes I'm freezing, but it's still too warm for this hat. And then my Hufflepuff scarf because I never wear it. But yeah, we can put this up. I did bring a chair from the dining room, and then I put my scarves in the middle. So this is just gonna go nicely in here. There we go. Now it all looks nice and clean. I'm so happy with this. I think the shoes, because I'm already quite tired. I did start my period. I'm going to clean the shoes tomorrow because it's Sunday. I'm going to probably go to the gym in the morning, wash my hair, and then I have time to clean the shoes. So guys, I have pretty much cleaned up everything. And I decided I'm finally going to change out my duvet. Done. Okay, this looks a bit weird. There we go. This is always going to be a little bit of a mess because I don't know where to, like, how to store these. Like my hand cream, my lip balm, my little kombucha spray. And then I want to write some thoughts in my bullet journal. But like I thought about making like a space here, but this is my workout clothes and I just don't have space. Maybe like buy a little basket there and then like keep stuff. And then yeah, that's what my LED lights look like. I think I'm gonna keep them for now. I quite like how my desk looks. I need to fix that because that's a mess and it's annoying when I try and like put my chair into there. And then I forgot nearly, I was gonna show you what this looks like now. So yeah, as I showed you before, this hasn't really changed. I just went through the stuff I wanted to put in the wash, but these two shelves, this was a mess because I have a lot of hoodies. Like this hoodie that I'm wearing, I know it's not the prettiest, but it's very comfortable. It's so big, like there was no space for it, but now there is going to be space. And for my purple one that I got from Land's End, I was going to say New Zealand, but I've never been. And then, like this looks so nice. This is mostly color coordinated, so it goes like black, navy, greens, pinks. This is kind of a mess, but it works. I really like it. And yeah, look how nice these boxes look. Oh my god, I love it. But I'm so happy I did this. Like, it was a nice, productive Saturday, and I'm gonna go chill out, fix my nails because they're a mess after I got the fake ones taken off. Horrendous. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't think I'm gonna film anything else. So yeah. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.